What's up YouTube? Today we have Brillante Torcia LED flashlight. Packed in a very nice box. Didn't look like waterproof. I didn't see the sealing, but still good. So you'll receive flashlight itself. This one I placed it already. It came with this mount. So pretty cool to use it. You can put it on tripod. Female connector. Also you get head strap and adapter for regular AAA batteries. I guess it is light diffuser. Flashlight itself. Its work, I put this battery not included on any lithium battery, and you can see you can put adapter just right there. Flashlight itself. Pretty bright, very nice quality, looks like it's waterproof. Diffuser very nice too. Let's go ahead and check it in the dark at night time how it works. Like this. Wow.
Just stay there.